In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of failing to accept a family invite on Steam. It's super easy and straightforward, and here's how to do it. First, open Steam and log into your account you want to receive games from, for example, your friend's account. There are two ways to do this. You can either ask your friend for their account details to log into your PC or laptop, or you can have your friend log in into their account directly on your computer. The reason for this is that two accounts you want to share games will need to be on the same network, like same Wi Fi network. So either invite your friend over or ask for their account details. And once you've logged into your friend's account, you can go to Steam and then tap on settings, then go to family, click on manage your Steam family, and invite your own account as a member. Search for your account in the friends list, select it, and send an invitation as either an adult or a child. After that, log back into your own account, accept the invite, and you should be all set. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.